Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some hard-boiled eggs in the Ninja air fryer. Let's go. So this is really easy to do, guys. We're going to be using some of these British free-range eggs today. We're going to be putting 3 of those in the Ninja Flex Drawer air fryer. So there's our 3 eggs in the drawer. Let's close that up. That's zone 1. And we're going to be cooking these for 14 minutes and 150 degrees. We're using zone 1. Let's go. See you guys in a moment. So here we are, guys. We're coming up to the end of the cooking cycle. That's been 14 minutes at 150 degrees. It's gone into cool down mode. Let's turn that off. And let's open the drawer. There are the eggs down there. Let's get them in the ice bath. So here's the eggs. I'm going to get one of them, put it in the ice bath. That will stop any cooking on the inside. There's another one. In fact, I'll only put 2 in there. There's not much room. I should have used a bigger bowl, shouldn't I? And we'll leave those there for a couple of minutes to cool down. So there we go. There's one of our eggs. It's cooled down now. I'm just gonna take away the shell. There we go. Shell's all off. Let's grab a knife and cut it in half and see how well it's cooked. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. If you wanted it slightly runnier, I would suggest only cooking it for maybe 12 minutes, but 14 minutes, 150 degrees, perfectly hard-boiled egg. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Go check out my other videos. Leave any comments down below and I will see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye for now.